fishes and strips like these. You can choose however you want, but I choose these ones because they are more nice. Put the drawing paper behind the glass. Guys, be alert. Open your eyes wide now. The magic is going to begin now. Pour the water slowly into the glass. Wow! The fish started turning from left to right. Now let's see another one. All 2 fishes started turning from left to right after we poured the water. Guys, isn't it magic? Now I will tell you the secret behind this magic. In nature, there's an effect called refraction. Now see this. It is like this, but if we pour the water, if the water reaches the drawings, it interchanged. The blue is in orange place and the orange is in blue place. Guys, isn't it magic? See this. And now, see. It was like this, but if we pour the water, it is like this. When the light passes from air into the glass and water, the light direction will change. That's why the drawing will look reverse. The effect is called refraction. And see these. The arrows were once right, but now they are left. Isn't it magic? It's called refraction.
Guys, experiments are awesome. Don't forget to try it and comment me when you tried. And there's always science behind magic. And comment me if you have any more experiments or awesome new cool games or even new words for me to make videos of. And bye. This is the end of today's episode. And bye. I'll catch you next time.